What is the order in decreasing frequency of the following electromagnetic waves? A. Visible light. B. VHF television waves. C. UHF television waves. D. FM radio waves. We can obtain directly, we can compare directly B and C by using name. VHF means very high frequency. UHF means ultra high frequency. Therefore, frequency of UHF waves is greater than VHF waves. When comparing visible light and FM radio waves, we know that there is a high wavelength for visible light. Therefore, frequency should be minimum. We know that when considering visible light, there is a high wavelength like this. Therefore, we are considering visible light as rays. We are considering that visible light are rays. Wavelength is maximum, therefore frequency is minimum. Then we can obtain the order A, C, B, D. Answer is 1. You have to refer the frequencies of electromagnetic waves. Question number 12. Consider the following statements regarding electromagnetic waves. Part A. They all have same speed in any medium. Now we know that velocity of wave is depending on medium. We can observe same velocity at the vacuum. They are transverse waves. Yes, it is correct. All electromagnetic waves are transverse. The medium is not essential for their propagation. Yes, we know that electromagnetic waves are propagating without using the medium. When medium density is increasing, velocity is decreasing for the electromagnetic waves. Then B and C only true. Answer is 2. Consider the following statements made about infrared, ultraviolet, X-rays, radio waves and gamma rays. Statement A. All of them are electromagnetic waves. Yes, it is correct. B. All of them travel with the same speed in free space. Yes, we can obtain 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters per second speed for free space. It is not for all mediums. Then C. Radio waves have the longest wavelength. Again, we have to compare the frequency or wavelength. We have to compare wavelength and we can obtain statement C also correct. A, B, C all are true. Then this one is the correct answer. Consider the following statements made out about laser light. Statement A. The energy of photon in laser beam of a certain frequency is higher than the energy of photon of same frequency in normal light beam. No, we know that energy of an electromagnetic wave, energy of a photon is HF. If there is the same frequency energy of photon is constant. Part B. A laser beam cannot be refracted by a glass prism. So it is false. We can refract laser beams by using glass prisms. It is same as the light waves. Part C. All the photons in a laser beam have the same energy, the same phase and same direction. Yes, it is correct. That one is the reason to move laser beam without energy loss. There is a small energy loss, but we can transfer a high distance because of there is the same phase, same energy, and moving in same direction. Then only C is true. Second one is the correct answer. Which of the following is not true regarding electromagnetic waves? Statement 1. Direction of electric and magnetic fields are perpendicular to each other. Yes, it is correct. 2. Speed does not depend on the medium of propagation. No, it is false. Then false one is second one. Speed is depending on medium. 3 monochromatic light beams A, B and C have the same intensities. Energy flow through unit area per second is given as intensity. We know it. However, the wavelength associated with beam A is longer than B, and the frequency associated with beam C is smaller than that of A. The photon flux, number of photons crossing a unit area per second of 3 beams. When writing in ascending order, it will be. Now I will consider energy of photon, HF. If the number of photons passing through a unit area is n, we can write intensity is En. It means HFN. Now they have given HFN is constant for given all 3 types of waves. Now wavelength associated with beam A is longer than B. Wavelength of beam A is longer than wavelength of B. It means frequency of A is less than frequency of B. Now we can get energy of photon for the type A is less than B. Then I will get the next statement. Frequency associated with beam C, Fc, is smaller than that of A. Now we can compare all 3 waves. Fc is less than Fa, therefore it should be Fc, Fa, Fb order. Then increasing F, N should be a small value because of HFN is constant. Then number of photons per second should be in this order. NB, NC, NA and NC. This one should be SC. Now they have asked ascending order. NB, BAC should be the order. BAC means second answer is correct one. Which of the following statement is not true? laser light consists of transverse waves. Yes, it is correct. Second one, gamma rays are transverse waves. Yes, it is also correct. Third one, primary waves, P waves traveling through the crust of the earth and longitude waves. Yes, it is also correct. Primary waves are a type of earthquakes. P waves, there are two types of earthquakes, P waves and S waves. P waves are traveling through the crust and longitude waves. It is correct. Fourth one, ultrasound waves are longitude waves. Yes, ultrasound means it is a type of sound wave, but frequency greater than 20,000 Hz. It is correct. Fifth one, FM waves are longitude waves. No, it is false. FM waves are transverse waves. FM waves are electromagnetic. Then answer is 5. Consider the following statements regarding the physical properties of ultraviolet and ultrasound waves. A. Energy of both waves depending their frequency. No, it is false. Ultraviolet means transverse waves. Energy of transverse waves depending on frequency. But sonic waves, ultrasound waves are sound waves. Those are mechanical. Energy of mechanical waves depending on amplitude, not frequency. Therefore, A is false. B. Both waves have the ability of ionizing materials. So it also false. We can observe ionization only for transverse waves, electromagnetic waves. Then part C, both waves can be polarized. We can't polarize longitude waves. Ultrasound waves are longitude, therefore we can't observe polarization. Then all A, B, C are incorrect. We have to select incorrect statements. Then answer should be 5. Consider the following statements regarding sea-level laser systems having energy E1, E2 and E3. E1 is greater than E2, E2 is greater than E1, E3 is greater than E2, as shown in the figure. Statement A. The laser action occurs between energy levels 2 and 1. Yes, it is correct. I will explain it. Then considering a 3-level laser system, we have to give energy to move electrons from this level to this level. To move electrons from this level to this level, we are giving energy by using an electrical method. After that, these electrons are moving automatically up to this level. This level is intermediate level. And we can get it is metastable level. Then electrons are collecting at the metastable level line. Electrons will move automatically to the initial level by producing laser beams. Then laser action occurs energy level between energy level 2 and 1. It is correct. Then B, the frequency of pumping action is E3 minus E2 divided by H. It is false. E3 minus E2 divided by H. It should be pumping action is this one. Then energy difference E3 minus E1 should be equals to HF. Then pumping frequency F should be E3 minus E1 divided by H. Then statement B is incorrect. Statement C, level 3 is known as the metastable level. So you know that level 2 is the metastable level. C also incorrect. Only A is true. Then answer is 1. Dimensions of Planck's constant. You have to find the dimensions of Planck's constant. I will use the equation E equals HF. It is energy of a photon. H is the Planck's constant. I will subject H, E divided by S. E value is the energy. We can use energy, dimensions of energy ml square T minus 2 divided by frequency T minus 1. Then we can obtain ml square T minus 1 is the answer. Then answer should be 5. Bending of light when passing in a sharp edge is due to. We know that it is diffraction. Then answer should be 4. Consider the following statements made regarding electromagnetic waves. Part A, they can be transverse or longitude. Now it is false. All electromagnetic waves are transverse. B, they require a medium to propagate. It's also false. Medium is not compulsory. Then C, they are not deflected by electromagnetic field. It is correct. Electromagnetic waves or magnetic waves are not deflecting due to electromagnetic field. It is correct. Then only C is correct. Answer is 2.